Welcome back. Today we have an Italian cookie blizzard, but I feel like I can't do it by myself. Let's go get Grama.
Today is Monday and it is Italian Day at Shivers.
What are we making?
We're going to make, well, they're all made, my 60-year-old recipe for Italian cookies. And each person that comes here will get a cookie and
Hopefully.
they will also put it in Shivers' wonderful ice cream. Okay, here we go. This is the Italian cookie blizzard. Anthony is now crushing up the cookies in the blizzard container. Actually, the person's getting 2 cookies. That's going to be a bonus. And they're set on top of that wonderful soft serve ice cream.
We each got a spoon because I actually want to try this too. We're going to try it. I blended it up. I put some rainbow sprinkles in. Let's see how it is. Oh my God.
Oh, this is delicious. And all I can say about this video, this whole Italian day, is it is beautiful. And now we will say it's bellissimo because that is beautiful in Italian.
Italian word of the day. Thank you, Grandma.